Antisocial. Oh, yes.
Girl.
A few moments later.
But my sister, due to over the years, I can get more mature. I'm not gonna lie. But I really got to take him in. I really got to take him in at that show. I'm not gonna lie. You know, some probably I got. But that aside, all I can say that show is.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How are the latest news them lock?
Man, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. Vendetta people, them. Yo, people. Remember, you know, Barclays show. It now go normal. You understand? This are gonna be a special celebration. Alkaline New Rules / Reggae Fest in Barclays Center March 21st. It a go loud. I tell you that. You can't miss it. You have to get on the tickets. You have to go be part of the moment. This is gonna be a historical moment for the artists. You understand? For a youth a bus for the past decade and I do this, trust me people, you don't want to miss out this. I talk about hits after hits after hits. Earl and Barkley, Alkaline, aka the man himself, bossy every boss. You understand? So we see a brother forward out on the talk a thing. So we're going to hear what I say.
Push. Yo, that way. Yeah, them talk about a thing so you know. Watch out that fun.
Yeah, man, a bag of things them attack, is it? Yeah, man, a bag of things them attack, but you don't know. When I watch them, I say you don't know a one data movement. Is it? Yeah, and that is it.
The Alkaline fans them. You them say, when the boss can't sell out the arena, you know.
Yeah, man, because you don't know. People, you have to pause it, you know, because you don't know the music and the copywriting, is it? Yeah, so, people say a bag of thing, you see me, but sold out and everything, but we don't know the Vendetta fans them are come right out. May I tell you that? The Vendetta fans them I go forward out for see all who are Vendetta fan, who will rate music and rate the artist, them I go forward out for the artist. You understand? That's all we know right now. But it a go be a very spontaneous moment for the Vendetta people them. You understand? If you know say, yo, arena, and them I go watch them artists a sing a bag of hits. You understand? Because remember, you know, that about shell down UK arena in a Wembley, you know. A bag of hits. Me I tell you, say people cut go on with host vice and all of them little thing there. Girl, full up in there. You understand? So the people them get on a ticket. You understand? Get on a ticket because this is the thing. It's gonna be a moment. You see me? At the end of the day, we not just go there for sooner artists. Because remember, so not to see him every day, I'm not too in the media. So look at now. At the time, we not forgot and not miss that moment. Because this is going to be a moment, people. Trust me. It gonna be a moment. You understand? Gonna be a moment. And I don't know. Album of forward, same speed. You see, so look out for that.
I say, man, them can't sell the arena. They say that look good. If you could have sold the arena and in the jail. You see me, I say? God. They say that look good if you could have sold the arena. But them say...
I don't know what this jail thing. You know, I don't like that jail thing, people. I really don't like that jail thing, to be honest. I don't like... I don't like that jail energy around Alkaline show. I tell you why. Them a try put we are next man, whatever theme destiny, for the next brother show. You see this no got jail thing and yo, man I say yo, if Alkaline sold this out without jail, it bro, a sold out show is just a sold out show. Before this jail thing and release and all them something there, show it's still a sold out, brother. Me don't know where this jail, oh, yo, this would be a thing if him not go jail and sold, bro, Barclays is like a venue. It's the same venue like any other venue, any other arena. It's just that people book artists for the show, people keep them on a show. It's just a venue. There's nothing special about the venue. You understand? Nothing special. Any party, anything can keep anyway. So so this jail thing, brother, go one side with that. If a man found out from prison and I do him thing, that a fee him thing. Don't put no jail thing with no man, boy, yo. If him no go, yo, if him sell out this without going to jail, people, to be honest, that sound good. If him sell out this, if him sell out Barclays without going to jail, that nah make no sense. No sense. You understand? I don't know where this forward from. But I don't know. This is what I must say.
Most likely, if him don't sell it out at the fans, and just buy it, take them and make him have a good show just to prove a point. You see me?
Yo, Jano. People, I tell you. So, you know, them have a talk and them a say, yo, the vendetta people, them a just go to show and if you make Alkaline flop or feet no look away. I say, what? So wait. So you tell me, say, all I show them what Alkaline keep. The vendetta people, them just do that go there for him no flop. I don't understand. I think say fans support them artists. When since him fans them sorry for him for say him a go as a no flop. Fans just a go there go support the artist. See him like any other artist and them fans go out and go list watch him perform. I see him thing. This narrative about yo vendetta fans them a forward out and use bragging rights and them no want them artists. I said, Jesus Christ, bro. I tell you, bro, I know them a try to put a next man story upon the artist, them, brother. That me realize, people. It's like nobody can keep no show and this a man of energy now put on this a man of energy. You understand? If a man forward out and I do a thing, I do him thing. We don't know why to put over upon a next man career or where a next man I do. You see, but we don't know a thing set them just love corrupt the thing. You see it?
My opinion is, right now, get a boss could have that jail right now. Because you have my sister. I'm not calling the jail upon them, but my sister because them man, they probably need every day. Them man, be seen every day. Them man,
and this is a problem, people. That's why I'm rate out Alkaline move. You see, them man, they go always have demand. Alkaline are go always current. You know why? Because the youth is like, when you see, if you ever see Alkaline today, seeing the way how the youth just stay to himself and certain things, like when next month forward, you gonna say, yo, Jano, I never see them man there. Because to them man they not too in the media and them little thing that him go always depend on neutral demand there. You know, I get too tired of him. You understand? I saw them man they stay. Sometimes you wonder, yo, me have to tell you, have to feel lucky. You have to lucky. You have to wonder, them man they walk, what an invisible man when them man they walk, you know. You have to look if you see them man them. I tell you, you have to look. Yo, just know, say, if you see them man then in real life, I buck him up somewhere. Sleep on the same side you sleep on. I tell you, something will go happen. You understand? Told them man they move. See, nah man. So I saw a G move and I saw a thing for go like people for just see her on the show and you know. The people don't feel tired for seeing a media and them like a thing that dog. You see what I'm trying to say? Yeah. I saw a thing set. You see it, so we don't know this jail thing and where that crowd from.
out of space, bro. Man, probably on a different space right now. Say, what they going to see? That's my opinion in a sense. You see me? I feel like the chief can sell the arena to man. That's my opinion. You see me? So let the fans them. Don't talk to me, man. Why about they want to lead? Why about they want to be little the vendetta? The boss, every boss, eh?
Yo, and that are the thing, people, because let me tell you, the man I got sell out him show, him fans him afford out for him like any other show him a keep. You understand? It's just that them always want to try compare Alkaline whatever them I do with other people. You know? For kind of get them leverage and then them just cause a man a keep him show. Remember years Alkaline a keep him show, you know. Years Alkaline a keep him show. See, him keep it in a well me way there. So me realize man I say yo, him nah no story, Alkaline nah no story for you go in a Barclays. Me never know say story have to do nothing with show now. You understand? Because if your fans fi forward, your fans just fi forward. If you have that fan base, your fans are go forward. It's not like Alkaline I go place every week or every month. Alkaline strategic with him thing. You understand? Some don't know a bag of excuses. I say, yo, let me tell you. Man, I say, yo, Alkaline fans them just are forward out for just give him bragging rights. They say bragging rights. Alkaline fans are come out to support him because they want to give him bragging rights. Me not under why you can't say man fans are just forward to see him. Where this bragging rights thing forward from? So wait. So all of them show that what did I keep before back 5 years ago. I never bragging rights them there when him fans them support him. I that more know no people. Cause this not add up. It just not make no sense. But as me say, when the people them get your tickets fast. You understand? This is gonna be a historical moment. You understand? It gonna be a good gonna be a good look for dancehall, especially in the young generation too. And it gonna be a good look for the artists. For say, yo, the artist put in the work in a short space of time. And this is what him achieve. May I tell you? Because this is not only Reggae Fest, New Rules partnership. That is the problem. That is the difference. New Rules. That is it. New Rules alongside Reggae Fest. You see me? Because me people say Reggae Fest, I two brand them a do it. So look here now. Uno get on a ticket. Uno cannot miss this moment. This is going to be a wonderful moment. So all I've been up people them, me no have no mask. You understand? Get on a mask out. You understand? Get on a mask out because this is not go normal. This is for the dancehall industry. Seeing this of a dancehall music. And this is wonderful for artists and fans them. And all of the people them who love music. So me I try to say, so look now. Get on a ticket. You understand? Get it. Because Alkaline are doing what I do and other people are doing what them do. This not have nothing to do with nobody else. Alkaline are doing what him do. So him fans them can come support him. You understand? Because the way he move, him fans them always want to see him. Because they not to see him all the time. You understand? Because so you have to make your fans them miss you more while. You see it? Yeah, so I think so.
I feel like him can't sell it to the easy. You know, say, as a youth, I listen to Alka too. But I say I would have never gone Alka show because the performance-wise. But my sister, due to over the years, Alka get more mature. I'm not gonna lie. But I really go take him in. Really gonna take him in at that show. I'm not gonna lie. You know, some probably I go. But that aside, Alka I say that show it is. Eh? You happen to come in the box and me know, man. I'm gonna really than this, man.
Yeah, man. I tell you. Show are going good. That go sell out. You don't know. No matter where haters say. You don't know the haters can always eat. You don't know that only make you get stronger, don't. So, but no say the vendetta people are go. And yeah, performance, Alkaline grow. I saw it go when Alkaline just found out. That happened to every artist. Like, and every artist when them just bust them just say performance. Every artist have them time or them grow. I saw it go. The more you grow, more you learn. You understand? So Alkaline might start off a kind of look away, but over the years, you master and craft. That's all we can say. You understand? So I saw you think said people. Everybody have to do what them can do. But as me say, if you want to be a part of the moment, you have to go get your ticket. You understand? Get your ticket. Because we don't know how long you're going to see your next Barclays show for Alkaline. Because you know them man they stay already. You see it? You know them man they stay already. You see it? Man good as not take no more Barclays bookings or keep no show for na Barclays for a little time. You see it? So you have to move. You can't do, you know, just do show. Sometimes you have to make the people miss you. You see me? In everything we do, you're supposed to make the people miss you same way. You see it? You can't just, you know, do your thing and yeah, you know, you can't make the people to get tired of you and them little thing there. So you have to move. You see it? But you don't know. You have to put in the work. You see me? Yeah, man, you have to put in the work, man. But as I say, people them go out there, buy a ticket for Barclays Center. Yeah, so it look good for you, you know, say alright. You forward on a moment where you just a look and you say be a vendetta people. If you're a vendetta person and you look in a crowd and say be a vendetta people, you say, and my surrounding this. You understand? Yeah, man, you don't know. We have to big up the team same way and big up Alkaline, you see me? Yeah, cause it's a good look for the dancehall and it's a good look for the artists and them fans them. You see me, cause I have a strong fan base, him fan base them always a support him and thing. Yeah. Them always want to see him. Them not left him out. Them always say, what? Better we are the better way, you see it. But people, get on the tickets. March 21st, Barclays Center. Alkaline, New Rules / Reggae Fest. You don't know. Yeah, man. Remember that. You see it. Touch. That is it.